Who would have thought? In the corner of the balcony, there's a hidden gardening hack. An ordinary drainage pipe can grow fresh, juicy white radishes. When I first chose the pipe, I doubted. How much soil can this even hold? But when I started filling it with soil, I was shocked. It swallowed up 2 full bags. Wow, I couldn't believe it. Before sowing, I watered the soil thoroughly. I mixed 1 bottle cap of compound trichoderma fungus with 1.5 liters of water and poured it into the soil to prevent the seeds from rotting. Next, I made a small hole every 12 centimeters, placed 2 seeds in each hole, covered them lightly with soil, then watered again. After only 3 days, tiny green leaves sprouted from the soil. Almost every seed germinated successfully. By day 7, it was time for natural selection. I pulled out the weak seedlings, leaving only the strongest one in each spot, so it could root and grow well. By day 20, the radishes had grown beautiful needle leaves. Since it was potted, I added 2 wooden sticks to support them, and pruned away the lower leaves, so nutrients would go to the roots. At this stage, it was time for the first fertilization. I spread fermented compost around the base, covering the root collar, to help it swell quickly. Then, I prepared some liquid compost in fermentation, diluted it, and watered slowly, so compost and roots made close contact for better nutrient absorption. From then on, every week, I watered with liquid fertilizer. The radish leaves grew lush green, looking very healthy. By day 30, I was surprised to see the soil surface already showing the big radish roots underneath. I pruned away more lower leaves and did the second round of fertilization, again using compost plus liquid fertilizer. Weekly liquid feed continued without fail. By day 60, it was finally harvest time. I pulled one out and saw white, plump radishes with 2/3 hidden underground. Maybe the pipe depth limited further growth, but they looked just as good as those grown in a field. The sense of achievement was overwhelming. Friends who enjoy DIY should definitely try this.